Today I show you how to send an SOS message using your phone flashlight. You can use the flashlight of your iPhone, Android phone, iPad or Android tablet. I'll show you now how to do it. It's really easy. To send an SOS message using your iPhone flashlight, first you have to start the flashlight, and once the flashlight is started, it will look something like this. It's not very obvious. I'll try to make it a little bit brighter. Now it's more easy to see. So the way you send an SOS message with light is that you cover the light source like this. For example, with my iPhone, this is a short pulse and this is a long pulse. You could make them a little bit different. So if you want to send an SOS message, that's 3 short pulses followed by 3 long pulses followed by 3 short pulses, just like that. This is the SOS message. So it's like beep, 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 beep. This is the sound. Usually you hear the SOS message with the sound, but you can also use light to send the SOS message. So to send the SOS message with the light, it's like this. 3 short pulses, followed by 3 long pulses, and then 3 short pulses again. That's it. I hope this helps you send an SOS message. If you need to, I hope you don't need to. SOS is part of the Morse code, and it's a way to send messages with sound, with beeps, or even with light instead of using words. It's a way to send messages for over long distances. Thanks for watching.